In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly in Google Docs. By the end, you'll have Grammarly up and running so it can catch typos, improve clarity, and help you write with confidence right inside your documents. First, you'll need the Grammarly browser extension. Open your browser's web store. This could be the Chrome Web Store or the Microsoft Edge add-on site, depending on what you use. In the search bar, type Grammarly. Look for the official Grammarly extension and click Add to Chrome, or the equivalent button for your browser. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Go ahead and approve it. In a moment, you'll see a small G icon added to your browser's toolbar, indicating the extension has been installed successfully. Next, click that Grammarly. In your toolbar, a small window will open asking you to log in. Sign in to your existing account or create a new one for free if you don't have one yet. This step connects the extension to your Grammarly account so your settings and suggestions work properly wherever you write online. Now let's enable Grammarly specifically for Google Docs. Open a document at docs.google.com. In most cases, Grammarly activates automatically as soon as your document loads. You might notice the Grammarly G appear in the corner of the page, or subtle underlines showing potential corrections. If you don't see anything from Grammarly, click the Grammarly extension icon in your browser toolbar and check that the setting labeled Check for Writing Suggestions on Google Docs is turned on. If your browser asks for permission to allow Grammarly to access your documents, approve it so the tool can analyze your text and provide suggestions. Once Grammarly is active, you'll see suggestions as you type. Red underlines usually flag spelling or grammatical issues, while other colors may point out clarity, tone, or conciseness. Depending on your plan, click an underline to open a brief explanation and a one-click fix, or dismiss it if you prefer to keep your original wording. You'll also see overall writing insights and a quick way to adjust goals like formality or intent if those options are available to you. A quick note on permissions: granting access allows Grammarly to read the text you are working on solely for generating writing suggestions. You can always manage or review these permissions in your browser's extension settings. That's it. Install the extension. Sign in, open your Google Doc, and make sure the Google Docs toggle is on. You are ready to write better, faster, and with more confidence. Thanks for watching.